Hey, this is Scott from MasterXLTraining.com. Today I want to look at two formulas, and or. These are really useful formulas, but the problem is that the syntax doesn't really jive with English, so you have to know how to use them. And once you know how to use them, they're real easy, and it's really useful. So let's jump in and let's take a quick look. So I have this list, right? So I have a company list, invoices, there's a department, and amount. So let's just say I want to look at something like everything that has, say, greater than 150 and department 2. Okay? So how would I do that? Now in English you'd think you'd say department equals 2 and invoice total is greater than 150. That's not exactly how it works with the and the or formula. The way that works in English, you kind of have to go, if you think about it like the syntax, it goes and department equals 2, comma, total is greater than 150. So we're actually going to start off by hitting the and formula, and then I hit tab, so it kind of knows that I am now using a formula in Excel. And now what's the first thing I want to do? So I want to say department equals 2. Comma, and then what's the second logical thing? And the total is greater than 150. And this will basically give you a true false. So you'll see this is false because its department is not 2 and the total is not greater than 150. This is true because both the department is number 2 and the total is also greater than 150. And now let's just say, I'll just copy this down all the way, and let's just find a department 2 that is less than 150. So right here, here's department 2, but the amount is only $29.95. That's false. Because when you use the and formula, and let's put this up here, and both criteria, or as many criteria as you select. So in this case, we have 2 criteria. They both have to be true in order for the result to be true. One is true, one is false. That means it's false. Now, on the other hand, we could go with the or formula. And now the or formula acts very similar, except that if I have 2 criteria, only one has to be true. It's like either this is true or that's true to get a true result. If they're both false, then it would be false. But if only one needs to be true to actually be true in this case. So it's the same exact syntax. So I'm going to say or, and then I hit tab. And now the same logic we'll use. So or department equals 2, comma, total is greater than 150. So you see, the department here is 1. So over here, because I used the and formula, it was false because both criteria were not true. Here is the or. So I only need one of the 2 things to be true. So department equals 2, that's false, but the total is greater than 150, so that makes it true. That's true because both of those things meet the criteria, so it was true in both cases. Here again, this is department 9, but it's $341, so it's going to be greater than 150, and it will be true. And also, if you come down here with this false, which was department 2, but it was less than 150, now it's going to be true because the department is 2, so that met the criteria for the or formula. So I just want to quickly take a couple minutes to show you the difference between and or. They're super useful, and you just have to know the syntax. You just got to think about it like saying and this comma that, or this comma that. It's not, you think like in English, it's is this department 2 and is this greater than 150? It's just not like that. Okay, well, I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this Excel tip. If you did like this video, please hit like and please subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my Excel tips and tricks. And please check out my complete Excel training course on udemy.com. I'm offering all of my YouTube viewers an 80% discount on the complete course. Just click the link below or use the promo code YouTube80. This course is currently 8 hours long and is broken down into 3 sections. You have the basics and beyond, then you have section 2, ultimate reconciliation and analysis, and lastly, pivot table domination. So check it out, click the link, and save 80%. Till next time, this is Scott, signing off.